Market Dashboard is specially configured for reviewing market trends. The report enables you to gauge the size of the market, its growth rate, and the performance of retailers, manufacturers, brands, channels, and segments. It covers information on sales volume, sales value and price across all channels and chains and across all segments. The dashboard is ideal for examining the impact of market development on the market as a whole and across channels, banners and segments. The data you see is for the Hygienia category. The tabs and the spin buttons at the top of the page pertain to selections for dashboard, metric, segment, channel and category. The chart on the right depicts the share for big brands and the one on the left pertains to the remaining brands. As is the case with all the dashboards, the market dashboard is a collection of tables and each table is a collection of views. Let me close the chart section so that the entire market share table is visible on the screen. The data can be viewed across the 5 different channels and chains, including total trade. It can also view across the 5 different segments. So effectively we have 25 tables for each trade segment combination, and since the table can be viewed in volume or value, that makes it 50 views per category. Since we have 3 categories, in total the first table comprises 150 views, each providing a different perspective of the market share data. Depending on your information needs, you only need to examine a few of these perspectives. For instance, if you are the brand manager for Cassandra, a brand that is experiencing some share gains, you might be interested to know which segment and which trade channel is contributing to the gain. Let me select the brand Cassandra from the brand drop-down list. As we move down the dashboard, note that the 2 tables share in segment and share in trade sum up the volume share trend across segments and across trade for the brand. The data tells us that the share gains are coming mainly from the Fujimart chain and that the family segment, which was relatively weak at the start of the Y1, has gained the most in the second half of the year. The tables at the bottom of this dashboard pertain to contribution. Whereas the segment share table tells us the brand's share in segment, the contribution table provides the breakup of sales across segments. So for instance for Y1Q4, for every 100 kilograms of sales of Cassandra 24.7 kilograms was sold to consumers in the price segment and 9.8 kilograms was sold to consumers in the family segment, 16.7 kilograms to consumers in the beauty, and 48.8 kilograms to the hedonists. Similarly for the contribution of sales in the trade channels, 61.8% is from the upper trade and 38.2% is from the lower trade. This dashboard also provides information on price. Price is essentially value divided by volume. It is the price weighted across the 13 weeks of the quarter.